Now, I've been on the phone with Meta support every single day for the past 2.5 weeks, trying to figure out why creators are getting hit with a sudden restriction blocks. I was stuck in their automated Meta AI support chat, getting completely false information until I finally managed to speak with a real human advisor. Now, I personally don't spam. I only post maybe 2 to 3 high quality reels a day, and you might be doing the exact same thing, but their broken systems are still flagging us. If you're manually sharing your reels into Facebook groups right now, you need to stop immediately. Now, Meta has aggressively upgraded their security AI, and forcing your links into communities triggers an instant spam block that kills your organic distribution. Pass this on to the community so other pages don't get caught out. What I discovered from my daily calls with Meta support is that thousands of pages are being hit by a hidden mechanism called a cyber block. This is an automated behavioral lock that triggers when the AI thinks that you are artificially pushing your content out too fast. It won't give you a standard policy strike on your page, and your monetization dashboard will still stay completely green. Instead, it completely freezes your ability to share links or post in community groups for weeks, secretly destroying your organic feed reach. Loop your circle in on this so they can check their support inbox too. To protect your Facebook account from getting hit by an automated sharing lock, you must follow a strict safety threshold. Right now, never share your own video link to more than 3 groups a day. Anything higher instantly trips Meta's anti-spam security wire, resulting in an automatic restriction from community features. So let the algorithm distribute your content organically across the Reels feed instead of forcing it manually into groups. Make sure the other creators you know are keeping their numbers low to stay safe. If you're taking trending clips, adding standard captions, and voicing over a tiny part, your Facebook page is in serious danger. Meta has aggressively upgraded their AI backend to scan for what they call limited originality. The algorithm is now smart enough to detect unoriginal structures and instantly kill your feed distribution. So, to protect your payouts, you must focus entirely on raw, authentic, face-to-camera content. Spread the word on this new filter before someone's ad revenue gets cut off. The easiest way to get secretly shadow banned on Facebook right now is by triggering their automated engagement bait filters. If your captions say, comment a word to get a link, or if you hide text on screen to force people to re-watch a clip, the AI will catch it. Meta considers this artificial engagement, and instead of giving you a visible strike, it silently throttles your real suggestion feed. You know what to do down below. Keep the conversation completely natural instead of trying to play the system. You need to understand how the new unified Facebook content monetization program completely changes your financial risk as a creator. Because ads on Reels, in-stream ads and the performance bonus are now merged into one single bucket, a policy violation on just one short reel can instantly freeze your entire dashboard. One single mistake will cut off your earnings across long-form videos, photos and text posts simultaneously. Keep this locked in your notes so your profile stays fully protected. Hitting a viral moment is incredible, but it can sometimes come with an unexpected side effect. Rapid follower growth, especially when it happens very quickly, can trigger an automated safety filters designed to verify if the growth is authentic. Now, it feels counterintuitive, but the system is programmed to protect against sudden, unnatural spikes in traffic. If your reach suddenly dips after a viral hit, it's often just a temporary governor that the system applies to verify your audience. Keep posting high quality content. Patience is your best strategy when the algorithm is performing these security verification checks. To maintain a healthy creator profile, you have to prioritize trust signals. If your app is outdated or you haven't enabled two-factor authentication, the platform's security AI may treat your account as high risk. These automated systems are programmed to be incredibly cautious. When your account lacks modern security layers, the algorithm may inadvertently throttle your activity to protect the platform. So, enable two-factor authentication and ensure your app is running the latest interface version today. It's a simple, proactive way to signal that your account is secure and managed by a real creator. When you open a support ticket and it gets closed immediately without a real resolution, you are likely hitting an automated internal queue. Because the system doesn't see a formal violation, the bot marks it as resolved once it checks your account status. And even worse, trying to email screenshots or screen recordings can sometimes trigger a mail daemon bounce back error if you send too many files. Now, don't be afraid to escalate your inquiry and request a case review from a specialist. Demanding human-to-human contact is the only way to resolve these invisible security hurdles. We often connect third-party apps to our accounts, but these tools can create background noise that the security AI misinterprets as bot behavior. If these apps are constantly pinging the server, it keeps your account in a restrictive security loop. Go into your settings right now, find the apps and websites section and perform a total audit. Remove any tools you aren't currently using. By clearing these connections, you stop the automated pings and allow your account's natural human-driven activity to shine through again. The Meta Automated AI Support Assistant is designed to handle common queries, but it's not equipped to resolve complex account-specific security flags. So when you get caught in a cycle of closing tickets without answers, you are likely hitting an automated internal filter. Now, don't be afraid to escalate your inquiry and request a case review from a specialist. Focus your requests on behavioural reviews rather than a standard violation check. It takes patience, but demanding that human-to-human contact is the only way to properly resolve these invisible security hurdles. If you're going to fight a restriction, you need to be organised. Don't just rely on your memory, document every single step. Take clear screenshots of your dashboard status, your restriction messages, and any interactions you have had with the Meta AI support. When you eventually get through to a human advisor, present your case clearly and consistently. Being a professional creator means documenting your business operations. A clean, organised case file is the most effective tool for getting a real person to actually look at your account. The most stressful part of an account restriction is the time it steals from your actual content creation. I've actually lost hours sitting on the phone and checking my support tickets, and it's not sustainable. Set a support time limit for your day. Do your troubleshooting, document your evidence, and then close your mobile phone or laptop. Don't let the frustrations of the security flags stop you from filming on your other platforms. Your energy is better spent creating content than fighting a bot. Protect your time and remember that this is a temporary hurdle, not the end of your creator journey. The biggest lesson I've learned from fighting these security restrictions is that you can never put all your eggs in one basket. As creators, our business needs to be resilient. Diversify your presence across multiple platforms and always own your audience by driving them to your email list or community. When you aren't reliant on a single platform support system for your income, these hiccups become much easier to manage. So keep building, keep diversifying, and remember that your value as a creator goes far beyond one single app. We've broken down the hidden traps of the account restrictions, and now it's time for a quick fire survival checklist. First, stop forcing links into communities. Cap your group sharing at 3 links a day. Next, protect your profile by turning on two-step authentication and auditing your connected third-party apps to stop unwanted background pings. When dealing with support, bypass the automated chatbots. Request a formal case review from a human specialist and always back up your claims with organised screenshots and screen recordings. And most importantly, build a resilient business, never rely on one single platform for your entire income, and keep your app updated. Focus your energy on creating content rather than fighting bots. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. My name's lathonmb and some of my other videos should be popping up around now. So if you want to, you can give those a watch. And you know what I always say? I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!